Lesson 2, Part 7. Examining program variables. AutoLISP provides you with an entire toolkit of programming and debugging tools. One of the most valuable tools is a watch, which lets you examine variables in more details than appears in the AutoLISP console window. You can also watch local variables within functions as the function executes. To watch the value of a variable, you click on Debug and Watch from the AutoLISP menu. Debug, Watch. AutoLISP displays a dialog text box title called Add Watch. Enter the name of the variable you wish to examine. For example, specify GP path data, the variable you just set from the console window. AutoLISP display a watch window. AutoLISP display the value of the variable on a single line within the watch window. The base window shows in the illustration. In this case, the value of the variable is a long list, and you cannot see its entire value. You can resize the watch window by dragging its border, but there is a better alternative. Double-click on the variable name in the watch window. This opens an inspect window. The inspect window indicates the data type of the variable are inspecting, in this case a list, and the value of the variable. For list, inspect display each list item on its own line. Double-click on the line with the association list key is 11. AutoLISP will open another inspect window. When you are done inspecting variables, close all the inspect windows but keep watch window open. And that's it for Examining Program Variable Part 7, Lesson 2.